Hey guys, and a massive news coming in from South Korea. Samsung will host its next Unpacked event on July 22nd, and there Samsung is going to announce the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, Z Fold 8, Z Flip 8, and new Galaxy Watch. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Fold 7 came out last year on July 9th. The Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 were released on July 31st, so July 22nd is for the new Z Fold 8 lineup. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide coming in from OnLeaks, and this device is a monster. The rear camera module is kind of similar to the Samsung S25 Edge, so we have dual cameras and a flash. The outer cover displays are 5.4 inch and the inner displays 7.6 inches, which is really tall. Samsung is planning to launch these devices in July, and unlike the S26 Ultra, which is honestly a big disappointment, it's basically just the S25 Ultra with barely any changes, the Z Fold 8 lineup is coming with some actual improvements. So the standard Z Fold 8 might have a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which is huge compared to 4,400 mAh battery of the Z Fold 7, and even the new Z Fold 8 Wide have a 4,900 mAh battery. Last time we heard that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is coming with a passport-like form factor. So unlike the standard Galaxy Z Fold, which comes with a narrow front cover screen and a squarish display when unfolded, the new Z Fold 8 Wide is going to have a wide aspect ratio for the front cover screen, and when unfolded, it's going to look like a Galaxy Tab or a mini laptop size aspect ratio with a size of 7.6 inch. The specifications are Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is the most powerful chipset right now. It's going to have One UI 9 out of the box, which is coming with new music player now. Hopefully we'll see zero crease and anti-reflective coating for no to less glare. So Samsung is going all out in here, and Samsung's folding phone excites me more than their normal devices because you get lots of cool features like the way we can use and capture selfies from the rear camera, so a 200 megapixel selfie, the highest in any phone right now. How we can just make it stand anywhere. Watching movies, playing AAA games is super fun. And of course, these widescreen phones are mainly for multitasking, using multiple apps at the same time. Samsung, of course, is also working on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8, coming with 8 Elite Gen 5 and high-end specifications. But most of us are now excited to get the new Z Fold Wide. News coming in from South Korea, Samsung is already working on the Galaxy S27 lineup, and it includes a brand new Galaxy S27 Pro, which is coming with S27 Ultra grade specifications, but without S Pen support. This is all, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.